Hey guys, Engineer Wannabe here, and today we're going to be doing something exciting. We're unboxing the Grand Seiko SBGY003. Just going to go ahead and do that now. The unboxing is identical to any other Grand Seiko, at least that I've unboxed. There's nothing different with the box, even though it's a limited edition. Everything is exactly the same. Got the rice paper here. Oh, quick first wash check. I'm wearing my Grand Seiko SBGM221. You really need to change out the strap. It's a really hot day today. And I need to put a more durable strap on before I ruin it. So we got the rice paper here. Inside here we have the warranty card, manual. I asked for the spring drive movement. This is the hang tag. This is not a true unboxing per se, because I have taken this watch out. I've set the time. Kinda couldn't wait, really. So, normal box that you pull out with the rice paper, leatherette, soft touch. Here's the watch. Oh, and there's the watch. This is the SBGY003. It's part of, I believe it's part of the Elegance Thin Dress series. Let's take a look at the dial, the star of the show, as per usual with Grand Seiko. It's a beautiful manual wind 9R31 movement spring drive. Very rare, at least at the time of this recording. It's not often that you would find spring drive manual wind movements. This piece, of course, is limited to 700 pieces. Look at that beautiful dome sapphire crystal. Beautiful blued seconds hand. I love seeing the finishing touches here. The cap on top of that seconds hand as well. It's very nice to see. Signed crown. See the power reserve indicator in the back there. It's a very strange decoration going on there. It's pleasant, but at the same time it's a little odd. I'm sure there is some significance to it that I'm not aware of at the moment, but I'll look that up in time for the full review. It's very, very thin. Let's go ahead and do some dimensions. Okay, let's start with the thickness. Whoa, 10, is that right? 10 millimeters? 10 and a half. Lug width I know is 19 because of the strap. 19. Lug to lug. 43 lug to lug. Diameter. .38 and a half millimeters. So very pleasing dimensions. Very nice dimensions. Got the Zaratsu polishing on the top. It's going to be smudgy. Beautiful brushing on the side. Polishing at the bottom of the side there as well. Very, very interesting. Very nice. Let's go ahead and try it on the wrist. SBGM221 on the right. It's a GMT complication, so it's a bit thicker, and it's automatic. So, I believe it is around 14.5 millimeters thick compared to the 10.5 that I just measured. There you go. So first impressions, the leather strap feels a bit dry. I'm not sure why that might be. It's the first time I'm feeling this rigidity on a Grand Seiko strap. Usually it's really soft and supple, but it's a little dry. Probably try some leather lotion on, a leather conditioner on in a bit. This wear is backwards as per usual with Seiko Grand Seiko, but the pin buckle, or the deployant pin buckle hybrid, has the Grand Seiko upside down, which it did with this guy as well. So I'm gonna flip it around so it's the normal way around. That way when I turn my wrist I see Grand Seiko. Not that it's a huge deal anyway, but I tend to like the look of this better as well. So I will be turning or flipping that strap around. So anyway guys, this has been the Grand Seiko SBGY003 spring drive manual wind. Very cool. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for the full review. Take care. Bye.